Found yourself eating not because you're hungry, but because you're stressed, bored, or upset? This is called emotional eating. Today, let's uncover the fastest way to crush this habit and regain control over your mind and body. The first step is awareness. Ask yourself, am I really hungry or am I just emotional? Triggers can be stress, sadness, boredom, or even loneliness. Recognizing the pattern is the key to breaking it. Instead of immediately reaching for food, pause. Take 5 deep breaths, drink a glass of water, or walk for a few minutes. This short pause gives your brain time to reset and reduces the urge to binge. When emotions hit hard, replace eating with a healthier alternative. Write down your feelings, sip warm tea, or choose a light, nutritious snack. Over time, your brain will rewire to seek these healthier outlets. Emotional eating is often